Welcome to AS Manufacturing. Today, we'll explore how mobile cranes are built step by step, with humans and robots working together. The process begins with raw steel sheets and beams, prepared by skilled workers. CNC machines cut steel precisely, while operators ensure alignment. Every welded joint is inspected manually to ensure strength and quality. The crane's boom sections are formed with precision, humans and robots collaborating. Hydraulic systems are installed carefully, combining human expertise with robotic accuracy. Both robots and painters apply primer, ensuring an even and durable coat. Color coats are applied with robots and humans working together for perfection. Painted cranes move through curing ovens under skilled supervision. Heavy-duty engines are installed, humans and robots ensuring perfect fit.
Each engine component is carefully fitted with human oversight. The operator cabin is installed with both robotic assistance and human precision. Boom sections are carefully attached to the chassis, blending human skill and robotic power.
Hydraulic hoses are connected to ensure smooth lifting and rotation.
Outriggers are installed to stabilize the crane, a true team effort of humans and robots. Lights, signals, and electrical systems are integrated carefully by humans and robots. Boom is tested for lift and rotation, combining robotic precision and human control.
Engaging hoist. Tension steady at 50 tons.
Roger that.
Monitoring structural integrity. Firm stable.
All safety alarms and sensors are tested thoroughly before delivery. Initiating boom extension sequence. Testing for smoothness and precision. Extension complete. Now initiating bridges. Outriggers are checked for stability under human supervision. The crane lifts light loads first to verify basic operation. Next, medium loads are lifted to ensure stability. Finally, maximum weight is lifted under controlled supervision. Final touches on paint and polish give the crane a professional finish. The crane is moved for final operational checks.
Boom rotation is tested under human-robot coordination.
Wheels and tires are aligned and checked for proper fit. Operator cabin is inspected to ensure all controls function perfectly. Cranes lift small weights first to verify smooth operation.
Medium loads are lifted for further safety verification.
Maximum loads are lifted under strict supervision.
Boom fully extended to ensure stability and smooth operation. Initiating retraction test. Stand by for stabilization check. Retraction sequence complete. System stable. Hydraulic pressures are verified for safe lifting capacity. All electrical systems, lights, and alarms are tested one last time. Paint is inspected to ensure a flawless finish. Cabin interiors are checked for comfort and safety features.
The crane moves to the test track for final operational validation.
Boom rotation is verified under maximum load.
Stability is confirmed with outriggers fully extended.
All safety sensors are double-checked before delivery. Final cabin controls are tested with operator inside. Boom lowering is tested for smooth and safe operation. Cranes lift uneven loads to check balance and stability.
Final polish ensures the crane shines perfectly. Boom is fully retracted to check smooth operation.
Outriggers retract smoothly with human guidance.
Electronics calibrated to ensure all controls respond accurately. Wheels and tires checked for perfect alignment.
Safety alarms and indicators tested before delivery.
Test lift completed successfully. Crane ready for delivery.
Boom fully extended one last time to confirm smooth operation.
Outriggers tested fully under supervision. Paint finish confirmed flawless before shipment.
Interior checked for operator comfort and safety.
Crane is moved for final pre-delivery inspection.
Boom rotation verified under safe conditions. Final load test passed successfully. Hydraulic systems ready for operational use.
Outriggers function perfectly under all loads.
Crane polished and ready for delivery.
Final checks by humans and robots ensure 100% readiness.
Crane is ready to leave the factory for customers.
Boom safely retracted for transport. Outriggers secured for transportation.
A fleet of mobile cranes ready for industrial use.
Humans and robots together have built another perfect crane.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more manufacturing wonders.